There's a lot of food over there. Come on, go back over there. That's not buckle. Daddy is not buckle. Did you see the deer? Huh? Big rocks right there. Huge. The river is down. Yeah. See that, Julio? Let's go down there.
Remember last time it was flooded?
Look at the river. That's Illinois across. We'll go down. We'll go down. We'll go down. Don't jump, Julio. Okay. Don't jump yet. Oh, get you. I'll get you, Julio. Guys, nandito naman kami, guys.
Go that way.
That's Illinois right there. Dupo, Columbia. That's the bridge right there. So, in Genevieve. Oh, they just, looks like they changed the fake grass, no? They're the same. So, dyan inilibing yung uncle ni Tom. Babe, your uncle bird right there?
Over there on the right.
On the right? Yeah. Tapos yung papa niya doon sa baba. Ayun. Look at the fake grass. It's cool. What is that? Standing. Is that a groundhog? Tell me.
It's a piece of wood sticking out of the ground.
Oh, really? So the river is down. Look. So
see the birds right on the edge of the river over there?
Where? Oh yeah, I can see that. But I don't want to zoom it because you know my phone is cheap. Mumurahin lang yung phone natin. I'm going down a little bit. Okay. Let's go. And then Tame, can you lock the car down because I have my wallet in there. Where? Okay. Okay, baby. We'll go here, baby. It's nice. Chilly. Kaya, oh, naka-hoodie na si Julio. Si Julio naka-hoodie na. Kasi it's chilly. Ayay. Ayay, ito yung mga ano guys, yung mga ashes ba? Yung mga ashes, no? Yung mga pumanaw na. Tapos yung mga ashes nila dyan. Dyan inilagay. Mga ano. Look at this, oh. Vietnam. He was assigned in Vietnam. This is military people, or some are the wife of a military soldier. Ayan guys, yung river. Illinois yun doon sa kabila, Illinois. So boundary kami dyan, oh. Boundary. What is that? Look at this tree. Nice tree. Can survive in the winter. The pine tree, or yeah, pine tree. What kind of trees is this? Oh, looks like a cedar bush. Yeah, we planted that like six or eight, and then the deer likes it, love it, keep eating it, and it says in the tag that deer resistance, but kaunon man gyapog deer. Unya nangaupaw na doon sa doon sa property, nangaupaw na. Inano na lang namin, binunot na lang. Wala na kuan, wala na kay na bati naman og tan-awon, na pangit na. Ayan guys. Will you? So, what time we're picking up Genevieve? 10:15?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're killing our time here. Well, Genevieve's still in the Sunday school. We went to church yesterday already. What? Yeah, a lot of birds right there.
There's the arch.
The arch, St. Louis. Beautiful arch. Right there. Far, far, far. So guys, mga ano yan sila guys, mga nakalibing dyan, mga ashes. Ayan. This one, US Army Vietnam, US Air Force Vietnam, sa pamaning uban, US Air Force Korea, Korea, Vietnam, World War II, in memory of Turney Margaret B, US Navy, no? John Thomas, US Army Korea. Mga ano sila. Ayun yung arch namin doon. Yung arch, St. Louis. Peaceful, peaceful. Napaka-busy dito pag ano, yung 4th of July, yung holidays. Yeah, it's so nice. Tapos yung Memorial Day, yung 4th of July. Ano pa yun, babe? What else, babe, that this cemetery is busy, babe? Memorial Day, 4th of July.
Holiday.
Yeah. And like Memorial Day, they put flags every grave. This is nice, oh. Beautiful. They survive in the winter.
You can cut that and grow it.
No, they're not. Columbarium Sea Walls, Memorial Wall Plaza. What's that, babe? Oh, look what I found some. I found some feather. Look at that. What feather is this? From the dove? No. Yeah, but it's really cool. Julio, this is really cool. Oh, look at this cedar bush. Yup. Ganito yung tinanim namin, guys. Bali, 6 or 8 yata yun. Tapos, kinain siya ng deer. Tapos, binunot na lang namin. Sabi pa doon na deer resistance. Tapos, kinain naman siya ng deer. Parang may patay na ano dito, babe. Parang squirrel yata. Mabaho man. This is the tree we have in our property, and that one there, oaks. Tom likes oaks in the property kay pag namumunga siya, ang deer gustong gusto kainin yung mga nuts, oak nuts. So guys, pupunta tayo dito guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung bridge, yung papuntang Illinois. Excuse me. Good morning. So, kinakain ng deer yung mga flowers, oh. Kaya yung ano, ay, nahulog yung coin mo. Ilagay natin dito. Ibalik natin. Nahulog yung coin. Yung mga tao, yung family nila, naglalagay ng coins. Masa na ganito? La, di naman ko kakita sa bridge. Hold on. Naday dire. Who'll you? Pakita ko sa inyo yung bridge, guys. Hold on, babe. I'll go see the bridge right here. Oh, yeah, stay there. Genevieve used to play here. Like, magpapadidit si Genevieve dito nung maliit pa siya. Ay, yung bridge nandoon na anuhan, na sampungan sa ano, na sampungan sa mga kahoy na ay dito, oh. Yung bridge, yan, yung bridge nandoon na anuhan, na sampungan sa aning mga kahoy, oh, nandyan yung ano, padulong sa Illinois. Ayan guys, dito si Genevieve vlogging nagpapadidit nung bata pa siya. Karon dalagingging na 13 anyos na, di na kayo ganahan magdula. Hala, nanapoy kuan, nanapoy feeder. Oh, I found another one. Unsa ra gani nga feeder, no? Murag dove siguro. Put right there. Hi! Did you hear? Did you hear that? Huh? So guys, thank you. Napahaba na yung aking video, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good evening.